When I look forward for what is happening with art and literature, Jamaican Canadian art and literature is hopeful. Um, we have we have artists like Michael Chambers and Dion Simpson. Ceramicist Lisa Henriquez has a special touch in how her works come out. We have writers like Olive Senior and Lorna Goodison and Rachel Manley, um, Makeda Silveira, Nalo Hopkinson. I just see it getting better and better. I also think that as well, I think I said it before, art has no boundaries. And sooner or later, we are going to be not labeling things, but just seeing literature, just seeing art. And the fact that it was done by someone of Jamaican heritage will be just incidental. Because one of the things that art and literature does is record history, history of place, history of time, history of a people.